Okay, guys, another Wednesday, October 20th. We're ready to trade and make some serious cash. Here's my kid right here. Okay, still suffering, still flat, but I'm sticking by it. Yes, I know. Most of you guys don't believe in Boeing, but I do think Boeing will bounce back strongly. Look, we need Boeing in this country, and you guys know that. It's not one of those stocks that you can say, well, it's okay if it goes bankrupt. No, government's behind Boeing, so you can be rest assured that you buy the stock. You may have to go through the swing, but it'll bounce back. Okay, as you know, I am short on these shares right here. I've got TQQ, SPY, QQ, and DIA. All these four. Okay, I'm going to stick around. I know at some point these prices are going to break, and they will come down. Guaranteed, they will come down. They cannot continue going up like that. Let's see. I am building positions on Disney. If you notice, it was downgraded. I only bought 10 and 10. The way it was, I bought it more 170.50 and 171.22. I'm not going to buy any more right now until I see further drop because the market is up right now. So chances are this is not going to go down. We'll have to wait for the market to go down, which should happen sooner or later. I mean, everything's up. It's just a dangerous place to be right now to buy anything long. But the longs that I have right here, I bought them in the past and I'm going to stick by them. They've already been priced in all the bad news or the market conditions. If the market drops more, most likely I am going to hold on to them and I'm not going to sell them for the time being. Some of the Chinese stocks are rebounded already, so they may just stick around. They may not. They may go flat for a while before they go up higher. I did sold my Apple option, and I closed it and I sold it again at 160. I think I made about over $100 on that one. I just opened up two Boeing. I sold my calls this morning. I mean, I bought them and I closed those calls at about 100, I think 20 or $30 gain, and I sold two more this morning. And from the way it looks, I've got them at 225. 4 weeks from today, almost. I'm gonna make almost $1,000, right? I put them for $500 each contract. My cost was 262, around 215 or 216, so I should be okay. So on each contract, I make 500 plus each share. I'm gonna make around 900, so $1,400 times two. I make about $2,800, give and take, on that. So I'm okay with that. What else do we have here? We know the earnings coming up on Boeing, so I do think this downturn right here on Boeing, it's already been priced into the Boeing, so I do think it's going to go up. Now, my favorite was Netflix, and remember what I told you. This will go down more. It beat the estimate, and the revenue was great, but this will go down more. So do not fall for this. That let me catch it at this number. It will go down below 600. It will be in the 500 range, and I'm hoping it's going to be in the low 500, and that's where we're going to pick it up. So with that in mind, let's see what else. What's really honestly, again, it's an up market today. It's been an up market for the past almost 10 days. Really, we can't do anything. We can't do any buying because it's just in an up market, you can't buy anything. I'm not buying Amazon. It's not a deal here. I'm not buying ServiceNow. It's 52-week high. Shack is good. I can only add to my position. Okay, had some bad news. It's okay. I already own the stock. I can start building some positions on that. MasterCard, if you remember, I had 20 or 30 shares. I sold them all at a gain. I will wait for it to go down more. No rush. There's no deal here, as I said. Estee Lauder had a bad earning. Okay, went down big yesterday. I didn't jump on it, but I'm going to buy one more, make it two, so I'll know I need to watch this stock for it to go down more before I buy it. Because I'm going to put that on my radar by putting a 2 on it. Let's see what this guy is doing. Okay, so let's go here. Exact science, I'm building some positions. Again, I would wait. Zoom, I offloaded some at a gain. I've got 46 shares left to see if there's any gain here. Really not much here. I'm flat. I can dump 10 shares out of flat. Zero, pretty much very little loss on it, so I'll wait on it. No rush. Activision Blizzard is one that I'm considering to buy. It's been down for quite some time. Let's see. Short here. Johnson Control, nothing here. And let's go down to the bottom of the list. I can dump my JD shares. They've come up nicely. I've got 36 shares left. Almost $300 gain. My Dollar General beginning to come back. Micron. I was going to pick up some more shares this morning, pre-market, but no rush. What else we have in here? Yes, Zillow. If you notice, Zillow, I picked up. I was doing a giggle on this, 20 shares, if you remember. 20 shares, I picked it up 84.50, but I left it because it's definitely was some bad news came out on that, but it's okay, it's going to recover. Again, Zillow was a $200 stock. Look, even if it goes over 100, we should be happy with it. I built my T-Mobile right here, you see it? Now it's beginning to pay back, it's beginning to come back. What else we have in here? My shorts. Amgen right here. Up a little, not enough for me to sell. Caterpillar. Okay, it's beginning to come back, 46 shares. I'm definitely sure I have some gain right here. I can dump 10 shares or 15 shares at about almost 60 bucks if I need to cash, but I don't need to cash right now. So it looks like it's going to be an industrial day today. Peloton, if you notice, I told you guys to start building positions on it. I've got 71 shares. I can sell 20 shares at 137, where I can sell the entire thing for 336 bucks gain. So again, it's an up market. I don't like to do any buying in the up market. I will wait for a down market. We will have a down market. That's guaranteed we will have a down market. I do 100% think there will be one down market today. There has to be. I mean, market's gone up ridiculously, and I will guarantee you that there will be some sort of a mini corrections up ahead. Not necessarily this week, but sometime the next maybe 3 to 4 weeks, if not sooner. Pterodon, I could build up a little more position on it. See, I only bought 10 when it went down. I bought it at 117.50. It's a good time to add to my positions right here. This is an example of micro trading. Pterodon, we're gonna do 10 shares. I think I did place an order for this yesterday. Didn't catch. So I would go for the 150 number. It's a good number. If it catches, that would be great. And looks like my Boeing beginning to turn around a bit, which is good. Suffered long enough. I'm very heavy in Boeing, so I would not suggest for you guys to do that, but I just am. Let's see. Yeah, these shorts right here, they're really annoying shorts. You know, these are the ones that are you're gonna have to stick around. You just have to stick around. You cannot say, well, you know what, I'm done with it. Let me walk away at a loss. No. You'll have to just take the pain, period. There's no other way. You'll have to take the pain. Here, SPYs, the S&P. You'll have to take the pain. There is no ifs and buts, you know. You decided to go shorts. This is the other side of the shorts. It's never going to be a happy ending all the time. Well, it will be a happy ending if you're patient, but you're going to have to be patient for these to pay off. Otherwise, if you sell it now, you'll regret later. Or if you cover it now, that's what I mean. Chewy's another one that's been lingering around this price. You know, it was $120 at some point, very close to the 52-week low. Why not? Let's pick up some Chewy. Okay, Chewy. You know what? I'll go $20, 20 shares. Oh, maybe we'll just go conservative. 10 shares. 65.50 would be a good number for me to pick. 65.50. Here we go. I think we'll catch it anyway. What else we have in here? Everything's record. Bitcoin is record. Nasdaq, S&P, Dow. It's like a gas-filled home with nobody in it, of course, hopefully. And then you just need a spark. When that spark happens, everyone's going to be heading towards the door. Everyone. And that's where you need to be. Hopefully, you have some of these crazy shorts that are making you miserable in your portfolio. Okay? You have some of these in your portfolio. They will come to your rescue. They start giving you some money. You take that money and you start going shopping. And not all of it in one day. You do it slowly. Uber. Remember Uber? I did some buying and selling. By the way, I did some Lyft as well. Let me see where Lyft is because I did buy 10 shares yesterday. If it's low, I'll probably pick up another 10 shares today. Yeah, why not? Let's pick up another 10 shares at 49.80 because I do anticipate a little bit of something happen. What else we have in here? Let's see. Datadog. Way up, I'm short. CRM, I'm short. Estee Lauder, I just picked up that one just to remind myself that I need to buy it when the time is right. I did pick up 10 shares of Ulta yesterday, right? Because Ulta had a miserable earning. I mean, it was okay earning, but I think it was priced up too high, so everyone, I guess, cashed out. Let me see if I can find it. You know, I'm just so mad. I want to buy another 5 shares of TQQ. It's pissing me off. Yeah, let's do 5 shares of it. Short. 144. Why not? Yes. Okay. So, where were we? I lost 66 bucks on my 2 options. That's okay. I'm still going to collect my $500 each contract when they come due in 4 weeks. I can live with that. Here's another one, Dow Jones. This is very close to 52-week high right here. Dow Jones. I'd like to nibble on 5 more shares, shorting this sucker. If you're here right now, you want to start shorting this now, you know what? Your timing is just perfect. You can start shorting from this point on. Because, yes, it may go up a little bit more, give you a little pain, but it's almost time for it to give some back, period. Okay, so as I said, there is not much of a deal today. It's a happy day today for the buyers. So we're not going shopping. We'll wait for the shopping to end and wait for, as I said, best course of action sometimes is no action. Don't go buy anything. You can do a giggle on Netflix, but it may be a little too late because it's on the upper part of the pricing. It was in the 620, 619. Look. See this? Netflix. We could have done, let's say 20 shares, giggle at 618. That would have given us almost $300. But no rush. We'll wait. Visa, nope, it's still overpriced. Marriott overpriced. Thor, bought 10 shares. I'm waiting for it to go down more at 108, 109. I will wait for it to go lower before I buy any more. Hyatt, Exact Science, nothing. There's nothing here worth buying. On a micro trading basis, there's nothing worth building positions on. Not clear if you want to do a giggle now. You do a giggle when the market's lower. This is where the market's going to say, "Come on in, so I can go down." As soon as you enter the market drops. So you don't want to do that. Just stay away from your keyboard. Just monitor what's going on, and just wait for the right opportunity to come. Arc Innovation, I like it, but I wouldn't buy it. Not right now. I'll wait for that bad day to come in. Here's another one I like to buy, but it's still too pricey. I will not touch it. Everything's pricey right now. Absolutely. Okay, so with that in mind, go to the park, go to the gym, do what you got to do. Hopefully, the market comes down a little bit more, or comes down a bit, and then you can go some shopping. Otherwise, for now, signing off.